Hey guys, so today we're gonna make a quick and easy recipe. I'm sure you've all seen these burrito kits in the store, so I'm just gonna show you how to make it. So this is the Old El Paso dinner kit. It's burrito. They have tacos as well, and they also have hard tacos, but they're all similar. So it comes with 8 soft tortillas, mild burrito sauce, burrito seasoning mix, and it's ready in 20 minutes. So what you're gonna need is 325 milliliters of water, or 1 1/3 cup, and you're gonna need 1 pound of ground beef. So here's my ground beef, and all you need is a pan. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the pan on high, and then you're gonna put the ground meat, into the pan. And you're just gonna let it cook for a bit. So once you see it sizzling, then we'll be right back. Okay, so once it's sizzling like this, you'll start seeing it sizzle. You just want to flip it, and you want to just keep cooking it until the meat gets browned. Also, if you guys, I'm not going to go into detail how to cook the ground beef, but if you like a great tutorial, you can click the link above here or here, and I'll post it up, and I have a good detailed tutorial on how to cook ground beef. So if you want to watch that one first, just do that and then come back. So I'm going to let this cook, and then we'll be back when it's done. Okay, so just one tip I have when you're making this ground beef, you want to just chop it up really fine, and that's how you get it to be like the taco meat. So you just want to keep chopping it up, chopping it up, chopping it up, because they're going to be thick pieces. But if you just chop it up, chop it up, chop it up, then you'll get into little like this, and it kind of looks like how, you know, taco meat is. So that's only one step. But also, again, if you want to see the full tutorial, click the link, and I have how to make ground beef. Okay, so when you open the kit, this is what comes in it. It comes with the powder, and this powder is what you mix in the water to give it the flavor. This is the burrito sauce. I don't use this burrito sauce. I don't really like it that much, but if you want, you can pour it into the burrito or just dip it. And it also comes with tortillas. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the 325 milliliters of water to our browned ground beef. Okay. And keep the temperature now, it was on high, and we're going to put it to low. So next we're going to cut the burrito seasoning, and we're going to pour it into the pan with the water and the beef. And just make sure you have it on low, so we're simmering it because the ground beef is almost already cooked. And you're just going to mix this seasoning, mix it up really nice, stir it around so it gets all combined nicely in the pan. And you'll notice that the water has completely changed color. Okay, and we're gonna let this simmer for, I would say, about 5 minutes, but you'll see the water start disappearing. It'll be less and less, and it'll get thicker and thicker. So give it about 5 minutes of low simmer, low to, I would say, 25%. And we'll be back, and I'll show you the results. Okay, so while that is cooking, what I like to do is I like to grab my tortillas, and we'll show you what I do here. So you grab the tortillas, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so while the meat's cooking, I'm going to grab my tortillas, and I'm going to put them on a plate. And what I'm going to do is get a paper towel and fold it into a square. Now, I'm going to take that paper towel and put some water on it. and wring it out. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, and we put it on top of the tortilla. And then I'm just going to set this down and I'll show you. We're going to grab some cling wrap, saran wrap, and we're going to saran this plate. And what that does is just it heats up the tortillas nicely and it makes them moist because they're going to be super dry when they come out. Just from the bag, and they're easier to roll up and they just heat up. They taste a lot better. So you're just gonna put it in the microwave for a quick 15 seconds, and when they come out they'll be ready to go. Okay, and this has been about 15 seconds. If you like them warmer, you can do it a little bit longer. But this just keeps them moist and they just taste a lot better like that. See how you can't really tell in the video, but they're a lot more pliable. And now you can see that the meat is done. And how you know the meat is done is you see how it's a lot thicker, it's not liquidy. And the sauce is good. Now these are a bit more watery than the taco ones because burritos are more liquidy, they have more flavor. So that's pretty much it. After it's been cooking for about 5 minutes, it'll be like this, kind of like a paste. And that's a consistency you want to go for. Okay, so now this is how I make mine. So you're going to take a tortilla. Now, I usually put sour cream on the bottom. That's how I normally do it, but I don't currently have sour cream. And that's the really cool thing about these kits, is you can use whatever you have in your kitchen and just make a really fun, great, easy meal. So usually if you're going to put sour cream, you put it there, and then you grab your meat and you put as much as you want. Okay, and then you're going to put some cheese. I usually get the Mexican 3 cheese. You can also grind it yourself. So you're just going to put some cheese on it. And then what I had today, it's not normally what I put, but like I said, you can use what you have. And I have some green peppers. That's what I'm going to use on mine. I don't have any tomatoes, but tomatoes go well on here too. And I have some green onions. So I'm going to put some green onions. You can use regular onions. You can put anything really that you want. I've seen people put corn, carrots, peas, anything. So now, that's pretty much it. Okay, and once it's there, this is how I fold it up. So I fold one end over. I'm trying to do this with one hand. And then I fold this end, and I just roll it. Boom. Now, when it's like this, to keep it like this, there's a hack. And the hack is using a toothpick. So you want to put it there and then stick a toothpick and it will hold it all together. Now, you know, it's a little easier with 2 hands. And that's pretty much it. There's the burrito. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have a lot more cool cooking videos, reviews, all kinds of cool random things, how-tos. So please subscribe for more in the comments or press the red button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any requests or like to see anything else, just let me know and I'll try to make it happen. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.